Hello, hello!
Welcome to
17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
Alright then, so this morning we are going to make some soup. It's very simple soup, it's a chicken soup. We used to have this in Indonesia, like in every street in Indonesia. It's easy, but I'm gonna do my way. And we're gonna use one of our seasoning, which is bumbu samawa. So let's do this. Alright then.
Okay.
I seasoned already the clay pot. Yeah, we use kind of the clay pot in Indonesia, but it's not look like this. A little bit like round, like this. Let me show you. Like this, but it's too small, so I'm using that. Okay. Okay. Then turn it on. A little bit crack. Right. A little bit. That's what you need. Scallion or onion, and then some celeries, and then
we had some leftover
chicken.
Leftover chicken that he broke apart.
Yes, and then if you like egg, you can put egg. And this one something special. In Indonesia we use the rice noodle, but today we're gonna use sweet potatoes.
Oh wow!
Sweet potatoes.
Very good.
Sweet potatoes noodle and water. Bumbu samawa, spicy garlic and zesty coriander.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I think it's already a little bit hot. Alright, then I'm gonna put a little bit more coconut oil. We always use coconut oil.
Don't use olive oil because it definitely, I would say, changes the flavor a lot. But the coconut oil really adds a nice little bit of coconutty flavor in there.
Alright then, so this, I'll put the scallion and celery, let them cook. Then we need the bumbu samawa. Can you open for me? Yes. Second.
So guys, look at
the thickness.
The thickness, the texture of this.
Yeah.
You've got all of the ingredients in here, the real ingredients. It's not puree of anything. It's not artificial. You can even see the strings from the lemongrass and the caper lime that's in here as well.
And ginger.
And ginger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have one spoon, please?
And my spoons are kind of hefty.
You can adjust as per your.
So for me, I like the deeper flavors. So I'm always going to add probably a little bit more. But it's really up to your taste and what you like.
Yeah. Can I have water, please?
Yes.
We can put like 1 cup first. This is 4 cups. So that's it.
Are we gonna want more, you think?
I will taste how deep it is that you want.
And remember everybody, we do not produce these with very much salt.
Yes.
So we leave the salt up to you.
Yes, because this is a 100% vegan, so this can go to anybody. So if you are not vegan, then you can add any kind of saltiness. You have chicken stock, you have beef stock, you have seafood stock. But if you are vegan, then you can use. If you are vegan. Okay, where is the camera? Oh, here and here. Okay, so if you are vegan, then it's easy because you don't need any kind of that animal stuff. What you need to do is just salt or vegetable base. Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But for this recipe, since it's going to be a chicken
then we're gonna
soup, we're gonna use a chicken base.
Yes, gluten-free chicken base. If you want it gluten-free, go to Whole Foods. Or find they have a lot of kind of stock for chicken base, which is gluten-free.
Yeah.
All right then. All right. Perhaps we're gonna eat directly from.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
We're not serving it to anybody except ourselves. And
it's boiling,
the
You can put
The scent is very good. It's so delicious.
put the
We're doing this
With the-
video in the morning, so we have not had breakfast yet. So
With the
this is actually
chicken
going to
base.
be our breakfast.
you can always taste the saltiness. Okay. It is where's the spoon?
Do you want me to break up some of the chicken while we're doing that?
Break the chicken a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of water because when we put this, my goodness, the cat again, meow meow. They know that we are cooking something. I'm gonna put a little bit more. It was 1 cup. I'm gonna put like half more cups.
So does this style chicken soup remind you of anything in Indonesia?
Yeah, we have this kind of stuff. We call it Soto Ayam. It's very clean soup. Like it's a clear, except just a little bit turmeric because some people they put turmeric, some people they don't put turmeric. But mostly in Indonesia they put turmeric, so you have that kind of yellow color a little bit. Yeah.
How
I'm
is
gonna put, yes, very good. I'm gonna put a little bit white pepper. Where's the white pepper? Yeah. This give you kind of a spicy kick a little bit. I wanna put this one. If you don't want spicy, then
And it is different than black pepper.
Yeah.
I actually like it.
this is my soul. Garlic and this, like, I can cook everything with garlic and this, that's it. See, the spiciness make them woke you up. Okay, wait until it's boiling, and then we're gonna put the egg. Or if you wanna put the egg now, so let them cook. I'm gonna wait when it's boiling a little bit. I mean, perhaps if you cook with normal pan. Shut up! I'm cooking. I'm gonna give it to you later. Perhaps if you use like pans, it's gonna boiling faster. But this one is a tangent, but perhaps you have to just cover it so it's gonna cook or it's gonna boil. And this one you don't need to cook for a long time because it's very easy when it's boiling. So put this and let them sit for 1 minute so they're gonna cook. But this is the one we need to cook. I think it's boiling already. Yes.
Oh yes.
Boiling, put your egg. Cover it. Let them boil.
So are you gonna scramble the egg or are you just gonna let it cook?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, like.
But you have a
whatever
preference?
I like. I want to see the egg.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. And another thing that I want to add here is corn.
Mmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do this corn. This is from the barbecue corn. Okay, take a look at my egg. Woo.
It looks good.
Okay. I'm gonna put the corn. This is how I cut corn here. Some people this is how you cut corn here, right? How do you cut corn
Yeah.
here? But me, I cut corn like this. I think that's enough.
And then we'll just eat the rest.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Okay, test the saltiness. Okay.
How is it?
You need more salt?
Oh yum.
You need more saltiness? No. I think it's enough.
No, I think that's great.
Gosh. We're gonna eat directly from the tangent.
So all the flavors in here are just really popping. in this soup.
Yeah.
And as you see, it was done with very little effort.
Yeah. You just need to like
Not much effort at all.
Put
Just a couple things, and because this has got so much flavor in there from all the seasonings, it's concentrated.
Alright then.
You
So
just get
I'm
an
gonna,
easy
if you like all of this noodle, you can put it, but I'm gonna just put it half. Do you want all of them?
Yeah, I like noodles. Go for it.
Okay, just put all of them then.
Yeah, if you don't have noodles, don't use noodles.
Yes.
It's just whatever we had in the kitchen. Do you need any more water?
Perhaps, yeah. Can you give me more water? So we put like 1.5. So now maybe we're gonna make like how many days? 2 then. Yeah, 2 cups. Let them boil a little bit to cook the noodles, just a couple of seconds or 1 minute, because the egg is very good. Try again. If we need to put some salt, put the salt.
Yeah, because we just add a little bit more water, so it might dilute it a little bit more. What do you think?
Yeah, put a little bit of salt.
Put more?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Like that?
Very simple soup. I think the saltiness is fine for me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can we put a little bit more of that?
I want them, if you put this, the taste is going to very deep.
Yeah.
While normally this is very simple.
Okay.
It's very light soup in Indonesia, so that's why I don't want. But if you want to put more deeper, so you can put 2 spoons.
Okay.
But me, I want to have that kind of
that lighter flavor.
Peppery. Then I'm gonna put more pepper.
Okay.
I'm gonna put more pepper. I think we are good. What you need to do is just
add the chicken.
Add the chicken.
So while he's doing that, guys, it's a very easy soup. You've got your water, of course. You've got the bumbu samawa that we're using in this soup here. He put in some green onions.
Peppery. I like pepper. I don't know why.
Celery, egg, the noodles.
The noodles. Okay.
A little bit of corn.
I think we are good. So what we need to do now, just put this. If you have fried edamame, and then you put this here because you need that kind of crunchier taste. Or you know what I'm gonna use? Potato chips. So you have the crunch.
And we still have some potato chips left.
Let's put this one, the one that you already have from.
So he's putting the chicken in last because it's already cooked.
Yes.
And you don't need to.
Yeah. And then you just mix it. All right. Ta-da! It's ready. Then we're gonna put the okay. Let's try this very simple soup. It's called Soto Ayam in Indonesia. Kind of watery, but this one is not watery.
It really thickened up, probably because we used all the noodles, maybe?
Yeah, because we used all of the noodles.
And it soaked up a lot of the liquid. Such a clean, light soup.
And that white pepper.
Simple.
Very simple, fast, and
has that little peppery. Very hot.
If you want a sambal, you want sambal?
Oh, if you've been watching our videos, I always like to add a little sambal in there. And guys, if you have a baguette, some type of bread that you like to dip or have with your soups, definitely bring that in too. But using the seasonings that Abe has created, it really transforms a dish in a really good way.
And
brings in some amazing new flavors that people are not familiar with.
take a look at the egg. Maybe we can call this noodle a soup or something. This sweet potato noodles, especially you don't eat gluten. It's very good. And we have a tofu noodle too. Maybe next time I'm gonna use tofu noodles, so you guys can try. So this is very simple. For clean soup, you use this bumbu samawa, and then for seafood, I'm gonna show you how to make a seafood soup with this. It's called singang. Wonderful. Guys really love singang that we make.
And for the vegans out there, definitely make this into a vegetable soup of some sort. You could do tofu in there, whether it's steamed in with the soup. You could fry it, or tempeh, or just vegetables. And make sure you put in that seasoning there, because it really elevates the flavor.
Yeah, I think we put too much noodles, so it's.
But I like noodles.
So, yeah,
it's
so it's combined of soup and noodles.
It's a lot thicker. Because I said put in all the noodles.
I like the peppery taste. The spiciness of white pepper is not like chili spice.
And it's not like black pepper either.
Yeah, it's very clean, very clean taste and clean spiciness. It's not like when you eat chili and you're gonna be like, so spicy. But this one is just right there. So I like to put white pepper in any of my dishes. White pepper and garlic, like I told you, that's my basic ingredient when I cook. Yes, it's always there.
We're gonna keep eating here because this is actually our breakfast. And we hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna have to feed the cats.
Yeah, they keep like meow meow.
They're like crazy in the background here. And
subscribe, share, and like.
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Make the
world tastier. Bye.